Welcome to Pico Interactive. Our headsets are built with your business in mind. For this video, we will be using the G2 4K Enterprise model to show the main features and get you set up with your new headset. This is one of our 4K 3 Degrees of Freedom, or 3DOF headsets, and is part of our portfolio of headsets available at Pico. We offer 6 DOF solutions as well. In this video, we will cover the basics to get you started with your new headset. To begin, let's go over what is in the box. Along with your new virtual reality headset, you will also find a 3DOF controller with batteries, a charging cable, power adapter, lens cleaning cloth, user manual, and quick start guide. The first thing you will need to do is charge up your headset. To do this, simply take the charging cable and plug it into your headset here. You can plug the other end into any USB port, or you can use the provided power adapter to charge your headset via an electrical outlet. Please note, on the Neo 2 headsets, the charging port is located on the top of the headset. Next, let's ready the controller by inserting the supplied batteries here. The controller will be your main input for interacting with the headset and the content you will experience. You will see 3 buttons on the controller, and the trigger here on the underside. This is the home button. This is how you will turn on the controller with a short press of the button. No matter where you are, pressing this button will take you back to the home screen where you started. If you press and hold this button, you can also recenter your view. The button in the middle is the back button. It will return you to the previous selection and is programmable. This larger disc-shaped button is your touchpad. You can use this to swipe, scroll, or press to make a selection within an app. You will also find a volume button here on the side of the controller. When the controller is on, a light will shine just below the home button. If you see the light flashing on your controller, it may be looking for a connection to your headset, in the process of a firmware update, or if it is flashing very fast, telling you that the battery power is low and you should consider refreshing the batteries. That's it for the controller for now. One last thing. If you were to purchase the 6DOF Neo 2 or Neo 2i headset, you would find 2 controllers in the box, plus a separate charging cable for them. Batteries are not required. Now, let's familiarize you with the headset. The first thing to do is carefully remove the protective lens covers here. An important note: to avoid damaging the screen, do not expose the lenses to bright sunlight or other bright lights, as this may result in permanent damage. Here on the back of the strap, you will find the battery for the headset. This allows for a more comfortable fit, which is perfect for longer sessions in VR. The side straps here are adjustable for a better fit. Unlike the G2 4K Base and S models, the G2 4K Enterprise has a camera component that can be used in application development. On the side of the headset here, you will find a similar set of buttons to the controller. The home button takes you to the home screen and allows you to recenter the headset or wake it up from sleep mode. The button in the middle here is how you confirm a selection if you are not using the controller. The back button, just like the one on the controller, allows you to back out of your selection. For developers, this button is also programmable for use within your own apps. The great thing about having these functions on the headset is you can go controller-free if you want to. Simply do not pair the controller on startup. Use these buttons here and move your head to direct the crosshairs over your intended selection. On the underside of the headset, we will start with the most important button of all, the power button. To power on, press this button for approximately 2 seconds. You will see a small light glow right next to this button to indicate it is turned on. To power off, press and hold for approximately 5 seconds. If you have the headset on at this time, you will see the Pico logo animate and fade out. If you need to reset the headset for any reason, you can do so by pressing this same button for 10 seconds. Handy tip: you can also tap this button to set your headset into sleep mode while still powered on to help conserve battery when not in use. Next to the power button is the USB port. As you saw earlier, this is where we plugged in our cable to charge the headset. Here in the middle is the microphone. And next to this is a handy SD card slot which accepts micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes in size. This is a key integration into the Pico headsets, allowing you to expand the storage or add content to your headset without the need to connect to a Wi-Fi source or your computer. You will find the volume adjustment here. If you are looking to use headphones, you will find an audio jack here. Built-in speakers are here. Before you put on your Pico headset, always remember to operate in a clear space, free of obstacles, where you can move your arms freely. Remember, you can turn to look behind you in the fully immersive 360-degree environments, so ensure there are no obstacles behind you either. To put on the headset, place over your head starting with the front framed on your face and slide the rear down the back of your head. You can adjust the headset fit via the side straps here. On the Neo 2, there will be an adjustment knob on the rear of the battery pack. Our Pico headsets are built to accommodate those who wear glasses. Position the headset to carefully place the face pad lightly against your glasses and hold as you put the straps over your head. Once you are wearing your headset and it is turned on, you will see a prompt on screen to connect your controller. Now you are ready to go. Thank you for choosing Pico Interactive. Our headsets are built with business in mind.